head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Regards, Mad Mick. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.